Out and bro, spend all your money on party. Hey, all your money. All your money. All your money.
Ready.
Police.
Ready. 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 Ready.
Police.
Ready.
Look at that fellow in the right. Look at him go. He's right the camera.
Yeah, take me for the money, don't spend it. All right, now, sign up, don't stop. How you doing, got to know?
Brother, where are you, brother?
You know, say, can't make you me to them for the one.
For what?
Roof.
Ready. Brother, where are you, brother?
You know, say, you're blind, you know, say, can't make you me to them
For what, brother? For what?
Roof nightclub prison.
Ready. Yo, brother, where are you, brother?
Say, you know, say, can't make you me to them.
For
Blind.
what?
For what?
Ready. Brother, where are you, brother, sir?
So what are you blind? You know, say, can't make you me to them for the
For
one.
what? For what?
Roof.
Ready. Brother, where are you?
You know, say, can't make you me to them. You blind.
For what? For what?
Nightclub prison, the new.
Ready. Yo, brother, where are you, sir?
You blind, you say, can't make you me to them for the
For
one.
what?
Roof nightclub prison.
Which part?
For roof. I'm say roof. I'm not that roof. Roof for Port Antonio.
Roof nightclub?
Yeah.
How much you going, brother?
5 years.
7 days and 5 days.
Roof nightclub prison and they're Antonio.
Roof nightclub 40?
You're deaf.
How much you going, brother?
15 biz.
No.
Wrong, brother. I'm gonna say, go spend every money you have. If you got a party, I bring your wife. Bring your spend her.